In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Memory Saver in Google Chrome so you can reduce memory usage, improve browser performance, and keep your computer running a little smoother, especially if you like having lots of tabs open at the same time. This is a simple Chrome setting, but it can make a real difference if your browser feels slow or your system starts lagging when you multitask. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can adjust different features for privacy, appearance, security, and performance. If you've never been here before, don't worry, it's all organized in a simple menu on the left side of the screen. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, click Performance. This is the section that controls Chrome optimization features, including tools that help reduce how much memory your browser uses. On this page, you should see the Memory Saver option. To turn it on, simply find Memory Saver and switch it to On. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically reduce memory usage from inactive tabs. That means tabs you're not actively using can take up less system memory, which may help your browser feel faster and more responsive while you work, browse, or stream online. And that's really all there is to it. You've now enabled Memory Saver in Google Chrome. If you open a lot of tabs for work, school, research, shopping, or entertainment, this is one of the easiest ways to help Chrome run more efficiently in the background. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.